Hey guys, thanks for coming to my channel. Today's video is really exciting. We will be learning how to make a YouTube channel. This is a beginner's guide for 2020. So first things first, you're gonna open up a window. I use Chrome. You're gonna type in YouTube and then you're gonna go over to your channel. Guys, please already be logged in. So you wanna be already logged in. Once you click on your channel icon, this menu should drop down and you can click on create channel. Now make sure you guys read this. Your creator journey begins here. We're going to go ahead and click on OK to start our channel. Now YouTube gives you two options. You can use your username or you can make a username for your YouTube channel. I highly suggest you make a username for your channel because then you have all the options in the world and it can relate to your channel. So let's say I make a channel about YouTube help. So my username would go something like, I don't know. Let's say YouTube help with Maddie. Let's say it's that. See, when people see that name, they know I make videos about YouTube and I help you guys with it. You can make it relatable to your channel or not, whatever. So you're going to agree to the terms and then you're going to click on create. Okay, here it says nice work, your channel, it's going to say your username has been created, which is really good because you've been approved and no one else has that username. So now we're going to scroll down here and click on upload a profile picture. I highly recommend uploading a profile picture, guys, if you're going to start out YouTube because it takes a couple days to update. So I'm going to go in here and find a picture of me. I'm not going to use any cartoons. I'm not going to use anything like filters on me. We want to make it just purely yourself, no filters, unless you're doing like a cartoon channel or you just want a filter on your face, that's fine, but I highly recommend you just keep it clean and fresh. So now you're going to tell the viewers about your channel. So we're going to type in something here really fast and really easy. In this description, I'm going to introduce myself and tell you guys what my channel is all about and make it fun and exciting. Like, you want to make it to the point where people read it and they're like, man, we got to subscribe. Now, I know I did a really lousy job typing this in. It's really pathetic, but I just want to give you guys an example of, what you should put in the description box to tell the viewers about yourself. Okay, and then once you're done telling the viewer about yourself and filling in all the description, we're going to scroll down here and you can add links to your sites. Now, if you like using Snapchat or you want people to follow you on Facebook, you can do those. I'm going to do Instagram. So you're going to type in your username or the link of your Instagram, whatever you would like, and then this makes it a lot easier. You'll see later, I'll show you guys that when people visit your main channel, there will be a link for your Instagram that people can click on and easily find your channel. So you're going to save and continue. So this is what your channel should look like. Don't freak out. I know it's really empty, but we've got the profile picture and your username. So it says upload a video to get started. Before we do anything, I want to show you guys how to add some channel art and customize your channel to make it more personal, so the viewer doesn't jump on your channel and feel like it's empty. Let's add some channel art. Now, they give you some actually in the gallery. They give you some pictures you can pick from. You can pick mountains or whatever. But remember, guys, this is your channel, so you do what you want. I want my channel, my channel having all about me and just make it, definitely put my fingerprint on there. So here's what my banner looks like. I use it on my channel right now, so you can crop it if you need to adjust the crop. Yeah, I think it's good, so I'm going to set that. It should, yep, there it is. So now we have our channel art and we have our profile picture. Awesome, you're really making this channel look like your channel. So you can click on this tab, featured channels, and this tab is really cool. If you're like good friends with another YouTuber or if you really like other channels that kind of relate to yours, you can type in their the link to their channel and just type it in. You can call this tab something. I'm going to call it channels you should check out. And then you're going to just add the link there, and yeah, their face should just pop up. And so when people are on your channel, they can automatically look over it and see who you suggest they subscribe to as well as your channel. Okay, and that should appear soon. So how do you upload a video? Well, we're going to go up here and click on this little camera plus sign and click on upload video. And that's going to take you to over here. It's going to say explore the new YouTube studio. You got that. So select a file from your documents or your pictures. I'm going to go through pictures and just select anything, a quick little short video to show you guys. Then you're going to start the process of uploading your video. So now for the title. For the title, you always want to put the caps on for the beginning letters. This video is going to be called How to Make a YouTube Channel, what you guys are watching right now. You want to make sure it's capitalized the beginning letters because it looks more professional, I think. So this I'm going to copy and then I'm going to paste it into the description box. And in the description box, you want to explain what is going on in the video. You want to make sure the viewer understands what they're logging into and, you know, what they're exactly watching. So, and then any kind of information, like if you're selling something in the video or if you want them to check something out, make sure you put in the description boxes just so they can get a clear answer. And sometimes you can get paid if it's like an affiliate link or something. So yeah, here is the description box. And I also like to put my social medias in the description box as well, just so they get a clear sight of if they want to follow me on Facebook or if they want to follow me on Instagram, they can do so and make it real easy and fast for them to find down there. Okay, now that we are done with the description box, we're going to scroll down here. Now YouTube gives you options for the thumbnail. You can pick a preset or you can customize one. I'm just going to do a preset here. They give you pretty good options. It's the beginning of the video, the middle of the video, and the end of the video. Now, like I said, guys, this is just any video. You can also select a playlist you would like to add this video to, but I don't have any playlists made yet, so don't worry about that. Is this for kids? Yes, this is for kids. No, this isn't for kids. Click no. When you click yes, this is for kids, you have so many restrictions. Okay, moving on. This is video elements. You can worry about that once the video is uploaded. And then we're going to sign out some of this information. You can put it on private, you can schedule it, you can put it on public, or you can do a private link. Anyone with a link can find it. So for this video, I usually do for my channel a scheduled time because then people can see the premiere. It's a really cool thing YouTube recently added. Like you can pick the date and the time. Everyone's on YouTube on Saturdays, and I know they usually log in around 11. So let's do that. But for this video, since I'm just showing you guys and no one's like really waiting to see this video, we'll go up here and just click on set as public for right now. Okay, now that we've got all that information set, you're going to scroll down here. Before you publish this following, make sure it doesn't, go against YouTube's guidelines. Okay, we're going to click on save. And now YouTube gives you all these options to share. Okay, now your channel should be looking something like this. Very put together, very professional, and you can see your video is right here. How to upload and make videos 2020 beginner's guide. Give it a like, give it a dislike, whatever you feel like doing to your own video. It's really cool. When comments start coming in, you'll see them down there and you can see the description box. And yeah, it's really cool. Now I want to show you guys some more editing to the video you can do because that was just very basic light editing. We're going to go in more advanced. So if you scroll down here, you can see there's a add tags. Now the tags are very complicated. I'm going to link a video down below for you guys to watch. I made a video just talking about tags because you can actually use them and they can be really helpful, but a lot of people don't know how to use them. So there's a link down below how to use tags in your videos. So you can click on the date it was made, this video. They give you a location option, so if you filmed it in a cool location, you can give the location. Standard YouTube license or creator license, click on standard, that's what you've got. The category, now for this YouTube help, I would either say it's educational or how-to, so we're just going to click on how-to for right now. So they also ask if this has ever aired on TV, and then the language is right here. We're gonna click on English because that's what this video is in English. So and this content has never aired on TV before or in the US. I don't know why there's like never aired anywhere, but I just click on that one. YouTube also allows you to put some restrictions on your channel. If you would like to let the users not see the ratings of the video, or if you'd like to take off the comments on the video, whatever you can do, you can hold inappropriate comments. I do hold inappropriate comments on my channel, my main channel, just because I don't like any curse language to be in there, or like sexual content, because I have a lot of kids watching my videos. So I do actually hold some inappropriate comments, but yeah, there's a ton of options down here on what you can do to customize your channel and put restrictions on. So we're going to save that. So now you're going to click on the YouTube Studio button right up here. I want to show you guys something cool. So don't worry about your profile picture right here. It will take a couple of days to actually permanently officially change. So it's still going to say just a automatic pick profile. So in this studio, you're going to see your latest upload, the news, channel analyst. We don't have any analysts right now because we haven't put out any content but literally like 2 seconds ago. So don't worry about that. So I want to show you guys down over here, this little taskbar right over here. You have the dashboard, your videos. They give you lots of options. So if we click on videos, it's going to take us to all the videos we've uploaded so far. You can see the views, what kind of visibility it is, and all sorts of stuff. You can go to playlists. Now you don't have any playlists made, so don't worry about this if it says no playlists are found, because you haven't made any. So we're going to go down here to analysts, and I'm going to show you guys what all you can do in this. You can scroll down and you can see the engagement of views and what dates and hours and live time streaming. It's amazing all that YouTube has came out with. You can click on reach and how many audience have you reached to, how many impression clicks you've gotten, all sorts of stuff. The engagement, the audience, from everything. And down here is really cool. You can see the age and gender, the top countries, the top subtitles. It is amazing all that YouTube has come up with their analyst YouTube setting. So now let's go to comments. Now they usually put filters like that on there, but I cut them off. Now we don't have any comments on here, but as soon as your first comment comes in, and I guarantee you guys will get one soon, it'll show up right there. And then of course they have subtitles and everything else. Now let's talk about real talk monetization. Now I have a video in the link for you guys down below in the description on how to monetize your videos. So this is a YouTube rule. I want to talk to you guys for a second about it. It's going to take a second to talk about. YouTube has a rule where you have 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 365 days and 1,000 subscribers. Without that, YouTube does not allow you to get paid. Now let's talk about the audio library. So the audio library is really helpful for any of you guys creating videos just starting out that don't have enough money to pay a prescription for videos and like pay for music. It's a lot of money. So here YouTube gives you this whole studio so you can try out all this music all you want, and it's completely free. It's amazing. All you have to do is click on the little download signs at the end of the song, and yeah, you can go through category and everything. You can listen to it halfway to make sure you like the song. It is amazing. This is what helped my career so much in YouTube start out, because I had all these options. Now you can click on instrument, mood, I mean, you name it, it's here. It's very helpful. I thought this would be cool to show you guys just if you're starting out. So yeah, that is what's on this taskbar, and I thought it would be interesting to show you guys. Okay, so this is what your channel should look like. You can see about yourself, the description you made, the links we have for your channel, everything. Your channel is now looking really professional and just fresh. Congratulations on making your first YouTube channel. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys don't mind, make sure you subscribe. If you guys really thought this was helpful, subscribe and comment down below your new channel so I can go subscribe to it, and like and comment on your videos. Thank you guys so much for all that you do, and I really appreciate you guys giving me 7,000 subscribers. Like, I'm crazy excited about it, and yeah, I'm just really excited, and I can't wait to see you guys make your own channel and complete your own goals. So thank you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye!